Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you the Auto Eye front and back sensor system installed on Mercedes ML 2013. So this vehicle came from the factory with no sensors, so we installed first the rear ones. As you can see, we installed them in the same location as the factory ones would have been. Now I'm going to show you the front ones. On this vehicle, the front grille actually has pre-made covers that if there was a factory sensors they would have been there, so we use the same locations. And now we're going to show you how the system works. We're going to show you the screen inside and show you how the system works. So the front sensors are working as soon as the ignition is on. We have sensors in the front. Now we're gonna get close to the front, to the wall. We have an indication, shows us 0.8 meters on the left side. And the closer we get a sound that will tell us that we're getting closer and closer to the whatever object you have on that left side. Red lights 0.5 meters. Usually you don't want to go closer than that. You can go up to 0.3, but you don't want to go closer than that. I'm gonna go to the reverse, and same thing. We see 3 meters in the back. Gonna keep going, keep going. It's closer and closer. 1.5. We already have in the sound. We see it closer and closer. As we can see, the rear sensors starting much farther. The front sensors only start from 0.8 meters. Simple reason is you don't want to have the sensors in the front since they work all the time. You don't want to have them in traffic. You don't want to have the noise all the time. The rear ones, you want to know the interference ahead of time. Front sensor system, back sensor systems and other devices can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.